Okay guys, so let's pick some golden apple leaves in order to wash and cut up for our salad. So I'm just gonna pick some of the leaves here from the golden apple tree, and I'm gonna wash it. And I have some pak choi inside that I've already washed. So I'm gonna cut up these golden apple leaves along with the pak choi for my greens for dinner this evening. So let me just get a few more leaves here. Alright, I think that should be enough. I'm gonna chip it up and add it to the pak choi. And then you can put your favorite salad dressing on it. The leaves of the golden apple, it tastes pretty much just like the fruit. So it does have a little tart taste to it, but I enjoy it, I like it. So whatever dressing you want to put on it, it's up to you, but at least you know that you can use this to add to your salad. So I'm just going to rinse out the leaves. Alright, so I'm just going to get to rinsing all the rest of the leaves, and then I'm just going to chip it up. Okay guys, so here I have my golden apple leaves. So I'm just gonna chip it up, that's all. Pretty simple. So I have the pak choi, which I'm also gonna chip up. So that's all you do. Whether you want to use pak choi or you want to use lettuce, whatever greens, or if you're using spinach, you just chip it up, and you chip up some of your golden apple leaves as well, and you can have it for your salad. So thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful and gives you some ideas, and if you do have a golden apple tree, that you can make use of the leaves. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.